right. This is the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. The one with the 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower, 460 pound-feet of torque. So we've got the nice bowling ball style shifter up here and this pocket of stupidity over here that nobody can figure out what that does and what you put in there. Oh. Now this does not have the optional Magna Ride suspension, and yet it is still $81,300. So if you thought these were 50 grand, no longer. Tahoes are synonymous with expensive and luxury, and that's just a Tahoe. But yet it rides really well. It's a little bit stiffer, but it still rides great. This is the truck. It's the ski truck, it's the mountain bike truck, it's the pack everybody in truck. These things are so likable. They're just so easy. They make life easy. You can just bomb around anywhere. Love this. You just don't have to worry about what you drive through. No paddles on this guy. That's all right. You've got loads of power. Ah, there she is. There's the V8 sound, comes to life. Yeah. That just feels good. The power this engine makes is absurd. It's plenty. And yet this thing is still heavy. There's no doubt this truck just moves. It is no problem. 10-speed automatic transmission. This thing just moves. Yeah, look. More roads going in up there. Got that great exhaust rumble on it. It's just such a useful truck, and it's fast. Come on, buddy, push on the gas. Come on, buddy. Going up a hill now. Car slow down up hills. There you go. Great ride, loads of space. This thing is just the go-to truck. I think it's time for a little freeway action. I need an on-ramp. There's an on-ramp right here. I need to pass you. I have this deep need. Okay, good. You're turning off. We're hitting the freeway. All right, here we go. This thing just does not lack for power. up hills at altitude, it is no problem whatsoever. And it's just a great cruising machine. This is what these are designed for. Road trips. It's just so comfortable. Yeah. G-Wagon. That's red line right there. Yes. Power. And look how much snow we still have on April 11th. This is insane. Get to show you lovely parts of Utah, though.